Hello everyone. In today's session, I'm going to talk how to get SSL cert and upload to Oracle Load Balancer. So I want to talk what are the reasons we use SSL cert and why we need it. So it is if you have your site which has a login, user ID, password, it's mandate to have SSL so that nobody can hack your website. And also if your site is asking for any sensitive information and you need SSL cert installed so that your customer data is protected against hacking. And if you are e-commerce and you have a payment system in your website, then you need the SSL cert. And what are the benefit of SSL? So SSL is a type of encryption protocol that secures the data between browser and server, so it cannot be intercepted by any hackers to manipulate the data. And by installing SSL cert, it makes hacker impossible to read the customer information so that it is safe in the transit. This is a diagram which talks about how the encryption works. So first of all, the client in a browser trying to enter any information, and it goes to the cryptography and validates the client certificate, which we'll be installing today. And that will be validated again by the server and exchange the key. It's a private key which will be generating. Once the verification is done for the client, then the data is transmitted to the server. On the client side, the certification is validated, then it gives back the data from the server. Today, I'm going to have 4 different scenarios. What we are going to do each one. Scenario 1, how to generate the CSR file and private key so that you can provide to your CA. That's also called the certificate authority. There are n number of them. So you give the cert CSR so that they can provide you the SSL cert. And then once you do that, there are steps before you can download the SSL cert. So I'm going to show how do we upload the CSR and download your cert in the scenario 3. And scenario 4, we will upload and also validate your cert. So scenario 1. So how to generate the CSR file and key. So this is not a demo. So what I did, I went to a test server and with the OpenSSL command, I generated key file and CSR file. So I put this command in the log so that you can also run and generate your CSR file. Once you generate, you can go to any CA like Verizon, GoDaddy, DigiCert, namespace is the one, namecheap.com is the one which I'm using, which is very minimal cost. So I generated the CSR in a previous tab. So I uploaded this in their website, and my domain is demo.cloudkt.info. So once you do that, then in the next page, you have to confirm your verification method. So I used CNAME verification method. What is CNAME? You have to go to your domain server, DNS server, where you can verify your. So what I did is after uploading your cert, you will see in progress, the process in progress. So you need to, in any different each site, might have a different screen and methods. So this is a standard. So you need to get the method get record. What it does is it gives you this information, CNAME record. When you hit the get record in your website, I'm just scrolling down. So you get this domain control validation. So this record I need to upload to my DNS server. So I'm using domain.com is my DNS server. So you need to add this information which we got from the get record from the CA, which is the certifying authority. Then you upload the DNS name. There's a format which the each CA will provide you. So you have to go and upload this. So once I upload, it will look like this one. So after uploading, it takes a while, like depends upon CA provider. It takes 30 minutes. It took 30 minutes for me to get the SSL cert active, and so that I can download it. So for me, it took, so I have this demo.cloudinfo SSL cert for this URL. So I can click here and download. So when I download, I got three files. The three files will be downloaded from CA certifying authority. Each one will have a similar way. And these two files, ca.perm and private key. The ca.perm is copy and rename the bundle file, which is in the demo cloud.info ca.bundle. I renamed it to ca.perm, which it has all the keys like root, intermediate, and cert. And this second one, private key, is the key I created in the first step while creating the CSR in the command line. So that's a private key. These files are required to upload in my load balancer. So let me go, there's a few reference. Let me go to the demo. So as I have already opened and I wanted to show you, so I give this command, open SSL, private key and this one, and I can generate the key it gives. And these are the information I passed. Country name, US, state, Arizona, city, my city where I live. And this is my company info. CloudKT is a website I just created. And what is organized is a training, and company name. I don't have one, so just I gave a demo. And email address you can give, so I give just a demo, dummy one, admin@cloudinfo. And once you do, then you get these two files created. So CSR file, this is the one I uploaded to the CA. And this key file is the one we needed for our load balancer. So now I'm going to show you the website. This is my load balancer URL. If you see, if I refresh, so two servers load balancer, so cloud info site server 2, and if I do again, it has two server 1. So I want to see the cert. Currently I have verified by CA called Candy. It is what I'm using currently, which is getting expired. So it expires on March 24th. So now I purchased a new one and I'm going to upload it, and I'm going to show how do I do that. So let me go to my load balancer. This is my load balancer. This is the cert. I take a load balancer, click add cert. I'll say new cert 2024, and here I need SSL cert, so that's the one which I downloaded. If I go here, so this is the cert which I downloaded from the website newly, which I was generating. Upload that. And CA cert, as I showed, I renamed the bundle to ca.pem. So you select that, and the private key, which is generated in the step 1 to when we created a CSR. So you select that file. I did not give any private key phrase. You can give, but I didn't give. It was optional while creating the private key. So there's no key for me, and I click add. So successful. Now I'll open the website again. Okay, I added it successfully, but I did not change it in my listener. So if you see the CA now, I should see the new 2024. So let me go to the listener, edit. Currently I have the old one, so I'll select new cert 2024, save change. Once this is successfully completed, now we can go to the site and see the new CA information, the certifying authority, and the date of expiration. It's successful. So if I refresh now, let's see, it got refreshed. Okay, still it shows Candy, so I may need to open a new browser. Okay, it's refreshing, so go see the verifying company has changed from Candy to Sectigo Limited. So if I click more information and click view certificate, I can see the expiration is 2025. Previously it was 2024, and the demo, this is the URL which I got it from NewsCert. Hope this is helpful, and we'll see you in next session.